Oh wow, awesome! This just got in the mail. A new massage gun that I can now use to do massages on myself. This is so cool. Oh, nice. Now I'm finally able to massage my own back. Darling, could you help me out? Hell no! You're first spending all the money on that goddamn vibrator, promising me that I wouldn't have to massage your back anymore, and now you're telling me I'm gonna have to use that vibrator on your back? Hell no! What's up guys, welcome to Barrookie. In today's video we're going to see how we're going to use our massage gun on your own back, and we're going to make a contraption that is going on this rack here so we can mount it on different heights and we can use it to just loosen up our backs. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, first you need to look at your own massage gun, how it's built, and we go off of that. So for me here, which is very nice, is that this is absolutely perfectly flat on both sides. So I'm thinking of putting two pieces of wood here with a hinge like that so that we can close it up, and then preferably we use a bolt to keep the wood together so that it's really wedged out. Let me first demonstrate it to you guys and then we're going to start building. Now, I was planning on using two bolts to attach it to the rack, but I found that one bolt is just enough. Everything here is connected to one backboard. So this backboard has the bolt to bolt it to the power rack. This also has the L bracket for a fixed wall that we have here. And then we have a hinge so that if we put the massage gun in there, we can always have a little bit of leeway as to how much we close this so that it's really tight in there. And then we have a bottom bracket here so that we can prevent the massage gun from falling down. I also put in a board with a hole in so that the massage gun just fits perfectly in there. Now, once the massage gun is in there, what we can do is we can take this bolt here, we can close it down with these metal plates. We take this bolt. Because this is on a hinge, what we can do is we can tighten this as much as possible so that there's no leeway here. And then I put in a very thick bolt. I made my own wooden washer because we don't want to scratch up the power rack. And then we put on this bigger nut and that will secure it. All I have to do now is press start. So as you can see, this is vibrating, but this is not. This is just perfectly still. Now, if I were to loosen up this thing here, you would see that also the massage gun is vibrating, and that is not something we want. So we want to tighten this up. We want this to be as secure as possible so that we don't lose any energy into our power rack and everything is going to our back. Now then, all we have to do is place our backs against the massage gun and just be, The only unfortunate thing is that the buttons are on the back side of the massage gun, and yeah, you just have to pull it out every single time. You can't just leave it in there. So yeah, that's the only thing. So now that we've seen how this thing works, let's start building it. As a backboard, I like to use plywood because that is going to be a little bit stronger and every other connection is going to be made off of that. So that's why we wanted to use plywood, because that's a little bit more enforced. And then I used just some scrap wood here, just a plank of like 10 centimeters. And I cut this in pieces of 20 centimeters so that I have two wedges where I can put my massage gun into. Now, unfortunately, I didn't calculate for this, but as I were to close the door and with the massage gun in between, there was no place to put a bolt anymore. The handle of the massage gun was just coming out way too far. So I had to improvise at that point because I really wanted to have something that's functional for me. So what I did was I took some metal plates and extended the wood out, and then with the pre-drilled holes already, I just opened them up a little bit and then I put my bolt in there. Now for the wooden ring that I made, I just used a large drill bit and I drilled a hole, and then everything that's left that stayed in the drill bit, I just took out, made that center hole a little bit bigger, and I could use just that. It's a very, very easy concept. Overall, functionally, it works. And if you have come up with any ideas to make this one better, I would be happy to read them in the comment section below. Yeah, this is really proof of concept that you can make something that's rack attachable and that doesn't vibrate the whole rack. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope I inspired you to get DIYing again. And if you bought a massage gun that you maybe want to use for your back, well, make sure you can attach it to your power rack. You're going to find so many more places where you can use this thing for. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video.